If you need to retrieve your Ford OBD1 codes, but your dash light is out, I will show you how to do this under your hood. Let's go. I like to use an isolated wire as it has less chance of shorting out on something. A paper clip will work, just use caution. Insert the jumper wire between sensor signal return and self-test input. This is how you can still read the codes under your hood. I use a male spade butt connector so my test lead stays in place. Hook your test light to the positive side of the battery and the probe end to the test port indicated. A dim flash indicates diagnostic mode has been entered. 1 equals 111, and it repeats. One, two, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 equals a 224, and it repeats. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 111 indicates that the system is okay and we have established communication. The 224 indicates a failure in the ignition coil primary circuit. The list of OBD1 codes is too long for me to list it in the description, but it can be found with a simple Google search of Ford OBD1 codes. Thank you for watching. If this video helped, please hammer that like and subscribe button.